This is by far the best trading platform for the Solana meme coins out here today. So basically this is Axiom Pro. Just gonna like make a quick tutorial on this. So basically we got the discover here. So the screener and trending. This basically shows the trending coins. So yeah, we got the pulse. This is where the sauce is, guys. New pairs out here. You can filter it out, so you just see pump fun or moonshot pairs, and obviously the age top 10 holders. We got the final stretch, which is like the best so far. It's the best one to like set parameters on. So basically you set my filters are 10 minutes, top holders maximum 40%, dev holding is 20% maximum, and minimum 6k market cap. So I just like see the potential coins here. So yeah, basically the migrated are the coins that made it to raydium from pump fun and moonshot. So yeah, basically it shows like some of the tokens that's going viral. So probably this is a scam though. Yeah, you see these charts are a scam. When it's going consistently up. Yep, that's probably a scam. Yeah, it's bundled. Look at this. 90% bundlers. Yeah. So basically this is going down. Yeah. Be careful of these. Anyways, so yeah. We got the trackers here. You can track wallets in here. So yeah. This is a couple of wallets I'm tracking. If you're trying to like check Bitcoin or check any like Ethereum, Solana, any token here, any like coin, actual coin. So yeah, this is for the staking, I believe. Portfolio, this is your portfolio and the reward. So basically I'm gonna like give you guys the code. I'm gonna give you the link for the platform. It's an exclusive, only inviting platform, so you can only enter with a code or like a link. So yeah, check it out and let me know in the comments what do you think.